I've got some seats here to recover. I've taken the fabric off and the padding. The padding was good. I'm going to reuse that. But we have a problem with the seats. They're warped. So I'm in the process of trying to flatten these out. And I came up with an idea to laminate a piece of 1/4 inch plywood on top of that and press it flat. And I did one to start. Let's take it out of the clamps here and see what happens. I'll let it set up for a couple of hours. Looks like that worked great. Okay, now the first one, I just put a couple boards to hold it flat to let it dry overnight. Okay, now we're going to glue up the next one. Splinters here. The plywood is delaminating here on the edges, so I'm just going to put a little glue on those. I've cut these panels a little bit oversized. So I'm just making sure it's even all the way around. I'm going to tack it with the stapler. That'll keep it from sliding when I clamp it. Okay, now I'm just going to sand the edges even. That made the panels a little oversized. Now just grinding it down flush with the original panel. Okay, here I'm just taking the random orbit sander and rounding over the edge. The original panel had a rounded over edge. So just doing the same thing on the new panel to match what was on the original. Okay, that worked out great. Not only flattened the panel, ran the grain, the face grain in this direction, opposite of the warp, and that flattened it right out. Got nice flat, stiff seats. I wanted to preserve the bottom. It's got all the original tags. And also the corners, some of the corners were damaged, so that now we get a nice crisp corners. I've rounded those off a little bit so they're not too sharp. Okay, now we're going to put the original padding back in place. It's all pretty good. Nice cotton batting. An unusual pad underneath here, like a horsehair, plastic horsehair. Never seen it before, but that's all in good shape. So what I'm going to do is just take this and wrap it with another piece of batting, and then put the new upholstery on.